In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to use the JetStamp 1025 cents printer. In order to scan a barcode, you do need to preset some information into the machine via the PC Set graphic software that comes with the machine. You download it to your PC computer, and basically you transfer placeholder text to the printer, and you're going to let it know how many is the max amount of characters that you might be scanning in a barcode. Depending on the max amount of characters will depend on the size of the text that you are able to print, because we have the print area of this printer to work with, which is 1 inch height by 3.5 inches in length. Anything that can fit into that space can be printed as one in one pass. And so if you have more characters lengthwise, that obviously equals more space lengthwise, so the character itself can't be as large. So I've made two different placeholders, and you can change that freely. I've done one that can hold up to 23 characters, which will be a smaller font. And then I've also done one which is in 8 that holds up to 13 characters, which is a slightly larger font. Now I'm going to go on to 7. And there's two ways to activate a scan. Either click this PT or this red button on the side here, and you're just going to hold it on top of the barcode. So you can see that now the information has been transferred to the screen on the machine, and then we can click any of the buttons. We have this button or this button underneath here. And it printed the information. Now I have another barcode here that I've created, and if I go to 8, which will allow for larger print size, because I said that the max amount of characters would be 13 in the placeholder, we can go ahead and scan. You can see the information has been transferred, and then we can print this information. Now, the text that is printed here is a fixed text on the board. It's called OCR font, and this font style cannot be changed when you are scanning and then converting and printing from a barcode. So you can change the size depending on the amount of characters that you're printing, but you can't change the font itself. So that's the first way that you can use the 1025 cents, and I'm going to do a second video where I show you how to one other option.